Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you a small simple experiment to understand error and uncertainty. So I took this pencil and I measured it using two different scales, both right in front of you on the screen. One scale gave me a reading of 18.8 centimeter and the other gave me 18.85 centimeter, as you can see over here in the slide. So we got two slightly different values, and that's completely normal. The difference between these two values is what we call the error. So in this step we are doing the subtraction. 18.85 centimeter minus 18.8 centimeter, and we get 0.05 centimeter. This is our error, and sometimes we write it like this: plus minus 0.05 centimeter. That plus minus sign just tells us that the actual length is not exactly one of the two values. It's somewhere between maybe a bit more than 18.8 centimeter or a bit less than 18.85 centimeter. So this plus minus shows that small variation on either side. Alright. So now we will move towards calculating uncertainty, as we have calculated the error for this experiment. But before calculating uncertainty, we have to find out the mean or the average value for this experiment. Why do we need that, you may ask? Because when we get to different readings, we don't know which one is exactly right. So we take a value in the middle, something that represents both readings fairly. It gives us our best guess of what the actual length might be. So we add both readings and then divide them by 2. So here we are talking about this step. And then we get our mean value, which is 18.825 centimeter. Since we have calculated our error for the experiment, and now we have calculated the mean, we'll move towards calculating uncertainty, and for that we simply take the error and divide it by 2. So here we have the uncertainty for our particular experiment, 0.025 centimeter. Now moving on to the next slide, we have this complete result. Measured value is equal to average value plus uncertainty. As we were calculating the length of the pencil, so here we have the length is equal to 18.825 centimeter plus minus 0.025 centimeter. This means the length of the pencil is most likely 18.825 centimeter, but it could be a little more or a little less by 0.025 centimeter. And that's how we report results in science, clearly and honestly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.